everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a truly innovative piece of tech, the Fidiso wireless earbuds. What immediately sets these apart is their incredibly smart charging case, featuring a large, intuitive touchscreen. This isn't just for show, it's a command center right in your pocket. Imagine managing your music, taking calls, checking essential information, or even customizing your case with DIY wallpapers, all without ever needing to pull out your phone. It even lets you check the weather, calendar, battery status, set the time, and locate your earbuds. And for those unexpected dark moments, max out the brightness, and the case doubles as a handy flashlight. This level of convenience truly redefines freedom during workouts, work, or travel. Moving beyond the smart case, the Fidiso earbuds themselves are designed for ultimate comfort and safety. Unlike traditional in-ear headphones, these boast an open-ear, over-ear design with ear hooks. This means they sit comfortably without causing discomfort, even during extended wear, and they bend freely to fit various ear contours snugly without deforming. The open-ear design is a game-changer for sports and outdoor activities, allowing users to stay aware of their surroundings while still enjoying their audio. When it comes to sound, Fidiso doesn't disappoint. They deliver a premium 360 degrees surround sound experience, providing a balanced and comfortable listening journey. Expect richer, clearer, and more realistic audio that truly immerses you. Plus, crystal-clear calls are guaranteed, even when you find yourself in noisy environments, which is a huge plus for anyone on the go. Performance-wise, these earbuds are equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, ensuring almost zero latency. This is fantastic news for gamers, as it means faster transmission speeds and higher stability, keeping you perfectly in sync with your game. They're also universally compatible, seamlessly connecting with iOS, Android, and Windows systems. Battery life is another area where Fidiso shines. A single charge provides up to 8 hours of playback, and with the intelligent charging case, you get an impressive total of 60 to 70 hours. And when it's time to recharge, the 1.5-hour fast charging gets you back to your music quickly. This extended battery life makes them ideal companions for long sports sessions or extensive outdoor adventures. Durability is also covered with an IPX5 waterproof rating, so there's no need to worry about sweat or light rain damaging your earbuds during exercise. And for added hands-free convenience, the Hey Siri voice assistant feature allows users to make calls or get information without touching their earbuds or phone. Fidiso also backs their product with friendly after-sales service, ensuring any problems are promptly addressed. These earbuds truly offer a comprehensive package of innovation, comfort, and performance for daily life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.